Welcome to Learn English channel. My name is Sharif. Today is our 7th lesson about phrasal verbs. Let's begin. Alight on. Meaning, to find or notice something. Examples. 1. Her eyes alighted on a small, faded photograph tucked away in the corner of the drawer. This shows the meaning of noticing something. 2. After hours of brainstorming, his mind finally alighted on a brilliant solution to the problem. This shows the meaning of thinking of something. 3. A delicate butterfly alighted on the vibrant petals of the rose. This shows the meaning of physically landing. 4. During the research, the reporter alighted on some very interesting facts that had previously been overlooked. This shows the meaning of discovering information. Allude to. Meaning, to refer to something indirectly or in a veiled way, to hint at something. Examples. 1. The speaker alluded to the company's financial difficulties without providing specific details. This demonstrates how allude to is used to refer to a sensitive topic in an indirect way. 2. In her latest song, the artist alludes to her past struggles with fame. This shows how artists often use allusions to convey deeper meanings in their work. 3. The politician's statement alluded to upcoming policy changes. This example shows how those in politics will use the phrase to hint at future events. 4. The book subtly alludes to historical events, adding layers of meaning to the narrative. This shows how in literature, authors will use allusions to add depth to their writing. Appeal for. Meaning, it generally means to make a serious or urgent request, especially for help. Examples. 1. After the devastating earthquake, the Red Cross issued an urgent appeal for help, requesting volunteers and medical supplies. This highlights the use of appeal for in a crisis situation where immediate assistance is needed. 2. The environmental group made a passionate appeal for support of their campaign to protect endangered wildlife. Here, appeal for is used to rally public backing for a cause. 3. The local food bank launched an appeal for donations to help families struggling during the holiday season. This demonstrates the common use of appeal for in fundraising efforts. 4. The police are appealing for information from any witnesses who may have seen the accident. This shows how law enforcement uses appeal for to gather crucial details for investigations. Appeal to. Meaning. To be attractive or interesting to someone. Examples. 1. The idea of a quiet weekend in the countryside really appeals to me. In this case, appeals to means that the idea is attractive or pleasing to the speaker. 2. The lawyers decided to appeal to a higher court after the initial verdict. Here, appeal to signifies a formal request for a review of a decision by an authority. 3. The politician tried to appeal to voters' sense of patriotism. This example shows appeal to being used to describe an attempt to persuade people by using a particular type of argument, in this case, one based on patriotism. 4. That style of modern art doesn't really appeal to everyone. This example shows that the art is or is not attractive to a general audience. That's all we have for this lesson. If you have any questions or inquiries, don't hesitate to ask. Please drop that down in the comments. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. Goodbye.